Hello everyone! Welcome to Life's Bests with Journey. We are going to see some evergreen plants in our garden. We are planting this Gold Rider Cypress. This is a fast-growing conifer which has bright leaves that hold their color all year round. There is no pruning required for this, but this can be trimmed and shaped if desired each year in May to July. The suggested soil types for these plants are well-drained, chalk, clay, loam, and sand. These can also be exposed to full sunlight or partial shade. So this location is just perfect for them. When we buy these plants from the garden center here, they normally come with a brief guide. It shows if they need full sun or partial shade, how much water they need, also their temperature tolerance, which is very important in deciding which plant to buy and how to take care of them. Actually, we have decided to have these evergreens in our front yard mainly for the reason that they require very little maintenance and can be left to grow on their own. We water them once a week during hot season and once in 2 weeks in cold season. Because I don't have much time to spend working in the garden, these plants are just perfect for us. We started this last year and now we bought some additional plants. This one here is called Japanese Cypress or Hinoki Cypress. This is in dwarf form with shell-shaped twisted branches. With dark green needles, they require sunny to shady location and well-drained, not too dry soil. This plant in the middle is called Dwarf Golden Oriental Thuja or Thuja, we say it in German. It is a bushy evergreen dwarf conifer plant which creates a bright golden look. This conifer has scaly needles in beautiful golden yellow. At the end of the year, it is the golden yellow winter coloration that sets this plant apart. This could develop into a conical, upright, and slender tree and reaches up to 2.5 meter in height and 1.5 meter in width. This one here is my favorite. It's called Castle Wayland Gold or Leyland Cypress, trimmed in a spiral form. This belongs also to the conifer family. This requires also a very little maintenance and even grow in poor soil. This can be trimmed and maintained in different ways. We could either prune them regularly to achieve a neat, clean form or let them bush out a little to create a more natural appearance. We planted them actually last year and we trimmed a little bit towards the fall season. And I think we will do this again this year. Here we have a Mediterranean cypress or Tuscany cypress. I chose this plant for this part of the garden because the space is narrow. I want something slender and tall. And they stand perfect at the moment in this corner of the garden. This plant has dark green scale-like leaves, scaly bark, often with columnar narrowly ovoid crowns, and they are often aromatic. Here is a white cedar. In German, it's called Goldgelber Kugellebensbaum Miriam. The most characteristic feature of this plant is its striking yellow foliage in summer. In winter, they turn to orange and bronze green. This is a beautiful sphere of about 2 feet or 60 centimeters and is fully hardy. I actually choose this plant for this location to give a contrast to the tall and slender Mediterranean cypress. This one here in the corner is called Chinese windmill palm or Chinesische Hanfpalme in German. This is the classic among the outdoor palms. Due to its fast growth and uncomplicated cultivation, this is particularly well suited for beginners among palm lovers like me. According to the information attached, it has extensive frost tolerance of up to minus 18 degrees Celsius. So we will see if it survives during the winter. This spot here doesn't get any sunlight at all, so we decided to just put these evergreens. This one, I actually don't know the name, how it's called, but it's really nice. And I think we have seen all the evergreens in our garden. I hope guys you enjoyed watching my video. If you have ideas, questions, you can just write in the comment section below. As always, thank you guys for watching. Until my next video, bye!